doing it right the first time. Our Monarch crew sets up the trenchless job with precision, safety, and teamwork. Every detail done right from the start. We're plumbing the future. Advanced trenchless technology in action, replacing old sewer lines underground with zero surface damage. One house at a time. Restoration complete, another Bay Area home upgraded. Cleaner, faster, built to last.